Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to manage the navigation on this device. So basically I'll show you how to change the 3-button navigation to the gestures and gestures to 3-button navigation. So we need to start with opening the settings. So let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll a little and find the display. Then scroll down again and localize navigation bar. And as you can see right here, we've got both options available. So obviously, if you've got the gestures, just tap on buttons. If you've got buttons, just tap on gestures. I also wanted to show you that you can customize both of the navigation modes. Just tap on more options, and here you can reorder back button and the recents according to your personal preferences. And here you can also decide whether you want to use circle to search. Now let's tap on swipe gestures, and obviously instead of 3 buttons we've got this line, thanks to which we can for example open circle to search, or we can kind of use the gestures. So we can tap on more options, and here we can also customize the gesture sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device and release your finger. And this is how to go back. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. Not like that, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, you can quickly switch between the apps. So for example, I've got this one opened, and all you have to do is to swipe your finger at the bottom from the left to the right, just like that, for example, or from the right to the left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.